Here in front of us we have the Pac Bay lathe. The bed is 4 foot long. You have a pack of screws and 2 bars because there is another 4 foot extension. And that 4 foot extension actually puts us almost out the window of the studio. So we'll leave that to one side. We're not going to put that on today. It comprises of 3 rod rests, a chuck, a high-speed motor and a slow motor. Have the lever to wrap operates this motor, high speed. Put your foot on the treadle and you can see it's got quite a high speed on it, and just under the motor there's a little rheostat knob which when I turn it actually increases the RPM. But it gives you quite a bit of control over what speed you want to rotate at. Apart from the fact that the foot tread also is an accelerator, very similar to using a sewing machine. You can control with your foot the speed, or you get it slowly turning, you can control with the rheostat for speed. So you've got a double speed control on the wrap motor. Take our foot off the treadle, flick it to dry, and this little motor here with a little pulley wheel, by readjusting like so, there we go. Probably the downside of this particular piece of kit is this chuck. We met it in fact in the standalone powered dryer, and these have a habit of moving because they're not very stable. The bonus is with this dryer, and like everything else, there's added extras. And the added extra here is an aluminium stack, pulley wheel and aluminium jaws. Much more stable and will actually do the job a lot better. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the aluminium chuck on. Back half of the chuck, as with all chucks, rotates to open the jaws. Just put the pulley wheel on. Put it on wrap. Really quiet, and it will spin all day long all the time you've got your foot on the treadle. The foot off and it stops. When you want to turn it to a dry motor, switch it off to the centre, flick the band off, onto the dry motor, and there we go, on the dry motor. So let's get this ready to do some work. These rod pulleys are tightened with a single wing nut, and the bar sits under the inside of the track. Just slide those off a moment. Just here I have the thread carriage. It goes in the track like so. Runs up and down very easy. Just put one of the sections of rod in. Just get a piece of blank over. All the adjustments on the pulleys are done with wing nuts, so there we are, we've got it in place where we want it. Pulley won't move, can't push down, just leave that top wheel so just held in place. Do a quick test, wrap, and there we are, we're ready to wrap. So let's find some thread. notice my right hand is very slowly moving the trolley, thread trolley, down the blank as the layer of thread gradually runs down there. So we are, a wrap machine. And when you're doing an under wrap, it's certainly quicker and easier than using, certainly quicker than easy, and you turn it by hand.